Hello friends, Arbab is here and you are watching Arbab Zahoor FX Trader. In this video, I bring a series of smart money concept where you are going to learn the most powerful strategy of the Forex trading. Okay, so most of the traders is failed due to they did not know how to map structure properly. What is the true SMC structure? What is the right SMC structure? What is the inducement? What is the liquidity area? What is the mitigation block, unmitigation block? What is the order block, order flow, fair value gap? How many types of PI? Single candle order block? What is the higher time frame narratives? What is the lower time frame narratives? How to take entry? How to exit? They did not know these all things. If they know, even they did not know what this is the right way of mapping or this is the wrong way of mapping. So in this series, if you watch these all series, I guarantee you you see the market on different way. Okay, so let's start today the true mapping structure. How to map the structure means how to find out the higher high, higher low with respect to break of structure, change of character, inducement, liquidity, etc. So jump into the video. Make sure you watch this video till end. Okay friends, we have here a bullish scenario in the market. In the bullish scenario, you will see the market is make higher high, higher low and higher highs. Okay, so in a smart money concept, to be a valid higher high, we must need an inducement. What is the inducement? The first pullback of the leg. This is the first leg. Okay, you see first pullback, second pullback, and then go price upside. Okay, so in this leg, who is the first pullback? This one. Okay, I'm sorry about this one. This is the first pullback. If market take this first pullback as a sweep or close, does not matter. It will be confirmed that the higher high is here. I will show you in practically also on the chart, so don't worry. Just if you are not understanding, don't worry, stick with me. I will show you exactly. So just understand that to confirm a higher high or confirm our lower low in a bearish condition, market must take out the inducement, the first pullback of the leg. Okay, after takeout, either it sweep it or either it close the candle. After that, we will confirm that this is the our higher high. Okay, and how to confirm the lower low? Once the market break this structure and close candle above it, not a wick. Okay, consider that, remember that you must be candle close above this this area and close the candle. Then we will see which leg break these structure, so then we will consider that one as a lower low of the way. Then we have this a leg like this, market go like either, and then this. Understood? So to confirm a break of structure, market must close above of this one, and then after that close we will mark out this our lower low. Okay, so what happened generally, what price do? Price make like higher high, higher low, go upside, and then take an inducement. We have confirmed this our structure. Then price give you a little reaction, because many people are here for buy, because in because you know that we learn these all things in a general price action, that if price go higher high, higher low, sorry, like this, then we can buy from here, because this is a support area, this is the support area, then we can sell here, this is the resistance area, like this. So many smart money, what happen, then price come here, give a little reaction, and then go back and take out your all liquidity here and go to the upside. Basically this happen in the SMC. They take out your liquidity, your stop loss, and then go price as per their direction. Okay, so this is the bullish scenario. In the bearish scenario is the same. Price making a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, FNOY, lower low, lower high. In this lower low, if want to confirm this one, or if I want to confirm these lower low, for example, I want to confirm these lower low, what should I do? Must these pullback take out these pullback? Just a moment, sorry. So must these pullback take out like this? Okay, if price take out this pullback, the first leg pullback, then I confirm this is our valid break or valid higher high. Okay, so to confirm me these lower low, the price must take out the inducement of the first lower high. Okay, like here the price come back and take out, it will be sweep, close the candle, doesn't matter. Okay, it will consider as a inducement, and after that inducement price maybe go break the structure or give a little reaction and go back to the extreme our fair value gap and then tap on it. We go to the short time frame and confirm the our entry and then sell the market. Okay, so now I will show you these thing on a live chart. Stick with me. If you are not understanding, don't worry, once time come you will understand these all points and all methods. Okay, so here is the live market going on. We are on a Euro USDT 15-minute time frame for my as a higher time frame. Okay, so we must go first we must map the structure on one bigger time frame, then we go for the entry in the shorter time frame. Okay, as per your trading plan. If you are doing a day trading, then you must better to follow a 15-minute and 1 minute for the trading. Okay, so before we start a mapping, you must understand one thing, what that we will start mapping where the market turn it out. Okay, so where is the market turn here? As you see, before market was a bullish and then become a bearish on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, so we will start from where the market start moving downside. Okay, so here is the our top point, right? So to confirm this higher high, what I said you must find the inducement. So where is the inducement in these leg? Okay, the first pullback, these are also inducement, these also pullback, this also pullback, this also pullback. So which one is the pullback? So for me this is the pullback. Okay, if market take out this one in any way, okay, in any way, then I consider it's a inducement. Okay, if in it sweep it or even it's close it and like this. Okay, so my higher high confirm. So if price make it break out this structure from here, then we consider it is a break of structure. Okay, okay, so I will go a little downside to confirm our lower low. So to confirm lower low, I want to see where is the previous higher high. Okay, to confirm a previous higher high, I want to see if these are a valid higher high or not. For me is higher high is this one is a valid, because why this is a valid? In this leg you see this is the price going upside and here is the valid pullback. Just a moment, yeah, here is the valid pullback for me, this one. Just a moment, because I will tell you one thing more. In the coming videos, you must subscribe my channel and bell and click the bell icon, because I will explain you the what is the valid pullback as well in the coming videos, fair value gap, everything on this series. I will explain you one by one of ICT and SMC. So must make sure you will join my subscribe my YouTube channel and also join my Telegram channel, where I post free of cost signal. All thing is free, nothing is paid. Okay, so here is the valid pullback. Okay, because market take out the previous candle low. Okay, this is the red, this pink candle is a high, this black candle take out the previous low, so it's considered a valid point. Okay, so after that market close above it and sorry, it's called break of structure. Okay, to the upside. Okay, because it's closed. So who break these leg? Who break this structure? These move, these leg make a move, that one. So we will mark out this one as a our price. Okay, now I will tell you something. If price break upside this one, okay, we will consider the market is bullish until the price did not break out this low. Okay, we consider the market is bullish. If price break this low and close above it, we call this a change of character. Inside these from this high to this low, anything happening is called a market inside move. Okay, inside structure. Okay, so we don't focus on inside structure, we only take entries on the unmitigated POIs. Okay, now we go front side. I think the old this one is, I think is wrong here, because we found here another structure. Okay, so must follow the rules. Okay, don't worry about that. Here, see, After we close above side, we confirm this is our breakout structure. Okay, and this is our change of character. If price came back here and break this area, not go above side, for example, if not go above side from here and then come here and break, it's considered that the price become now bearish in a 15-minute time frame on Euro USD. Now go upside. Once price go upside, we want to find a new higher high. Once when we find out the new higher high, when the price take out the inducement. So this is our breakout structure. Okay, and here is our inducement. This is a first pullback. Okay, that price take out like this. Okay, in this leg you see, once you breakout structure completed, then you have to find out the pullback. So here is the pullbacks I will show you. This is the first pullback, second pullback, third pullback, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. Okay, so every time price go make new pullback, your pullback will be shifted. Let me show you the example here what I'm talking about, so you will understand better way. Okay, so price is making like this. Okay, so as our plan, what we said, that price must take out the first pullback, right? That price will come here and take the pullback, we will consider it. For example, if price did not take this pullback and make a new higher high, so these our will be shifted here. Okay, these the inducement shift here. Okay, if it's make again a new pullback and even it's a smaller one, these will be shifted upside. Understood? I hope you understand this point. If you have any questions about this one, you must make a comment, or in my must make a comment on my comment section, so I will clear you in next coming videos. Okay, okay, so here our high confirm, and now after that a liquidity sweep. You see here is our order block as well. Okay, here also unmitigated order block here, price tap here, price break above side and make a higher high breakout structure. Okay, so one thing I will tell you here, something important, most important thing. See, now price go above side, and for you this is the lower low. What? This one. Okay, because this leg break upside. Okay, so but after that price come downside. Okay, if I want to confirm this higher high, I need an inducement, but many people think this or inducement or a change of character. Okay, because see, listen, we have this higher high, we have this higher low. Okay, but price after break out this structure, price did not make any valid here pullback which can taken out from here to here, only this pullback. Okay, so remember, mind this point, remember that our breakout structure shift upside, the power of this structure shift to upside. Remember my word. Okay, because many times you make a wrong mapping here. Okay, and this area become our inducement area. Okay, so we must wait until price break out this structure. If did not break the structure, we wait until price, we will see price what to here. Okay, so as you seen, price what happened, price did not go above this area, price break out these lower low which we mark out previously, and close downside, it's called a change of character. Okay, once it's break downside, if we want to confirm these lower low, what we have to find, we have to find our recent pullback inducement. So as you seen, price come outside and sweep here. Okay, as you see, sweep here, give a little reaction, go above side, make people confused here, take out the liquidity, had the unmitigated block, and then price break of structure downside of this low and make a new lower low. Okay, so here price break out the structure and make a new lower low. Okay, so now if we want to confirm these lower low, now okay, here is the breakout structure, which leg is break this structure, this one. Okay, so now our area from here, okay, from here to downside here. Okay, now we have leg like this. I will show you how the price is look like. before is a bearish, okay, price come downside, go upside like this and go coming back, mitigate here somewhere and go downside, follow the rules. Okay, so now we have area from here to here. Just forget the backside, we don't see backside anything. Okay, remember. Okay, if price break above, sorry, I mark out here wrong, my bad. If you don't understand, watch this video again and again and you will be I'm sure you will be understand. And if you are stuck or you have some question, you must ask on the comment section, I will clear for you, don't worry. Okay, if price break downside and close above close downside here is considered as a break of structure, and if price go above side is considered as a change of character. Okay, so first of thing, how we confirm these is our lower low. In the we will see in the left side that is there any pullback. As we see we have first their pullback, okay, but price go downside and make a new pullback here. So price after take a pullback, either price can go downside and break the structure, or either price give a little reaction and go above side and mitigate the any unmitigated area, and then price go downside. We all these things are anticipated. Okay, so this is the smart money mapping. So remember the point, the most important point here. People what do, I will tell you here. What is the most common mistake in the SMC is that the people say this is the change of character. The inducement they call the change of character. Okay, then again they think there is a change of character. Not like this. Okay, remember my point. The only way you confirm the higher high or higher low after taking out the inducement, and inducement is the first leg. Anywhere if I go in the market, for example, if I want to confirm this is a higher high, what I should see, where is the valid pullback. So as you can see here, market come here, make a pullback, go upside and make a small pullback and then go upside. Okay, so in this case, as you see, this is our first pullback here. Okay, so market must take out this one to confirm this higher high, and then after that confirm market go downside, mitigate these our unmitigated order block with a fair value gap, and price give a reaction and make up higher high or sweep the upper side, whatever that is the second scenario. Okay, so you must remember that to confirm a higher high, market must take out the inducement of the first leg. Remember that. If you are learning from this video, must subscribe my channel. In the coming videos, in the coming lecture, you will learn more deeply about this structure, more deeply about the smart money concept and ICT. So stick with me, you will be shortly different everything, you will see everything different. Okay, best of luck, meet you in the next video, goodbye.